Oh no.
Dank Perfect Shepsky.
Toggled.
Damn.
Oh, Dios mío.
No cientos. No cientos.
I also speak German and Italian, so yeah.
Don't make me feel fucking retarded.
I'm
Dönnies an la
serious.
biblioteca.
Ich spreche Deutsch und Italienisch.
Fuck my ass.
What's going on?
The fucking fire alarm.
This guy's fire alarm.
That's
Are you
a lie.
serious?
Dude, I gotta fix this comp. I can't leave.
Should tell him that you dropped your new mixtape. Oh my god, his fire alarm is actually going off.
You're so screwed. Das ist Ding echt längst ist das.
Just say you slept through it.
Yeah, true, you can do that.
Is he at like a university or something?
Are you getting, yeah, oh, you're
It
leaving?
sounds like University Fire Alarm.
What?
Are you leaving?
Nah. I'm just gonna play shit.
Much like I
Where
have
the
to
fuck
leave.
do you leave?
It's a big building. It's like basically
Are you in like college or something right now? Or like,
military.
CT.
I'm just gonna
Right.
play.
because that sounds like really weird. Like you're in some important place or something.
It's in Hawaii.
Okay.
You should
Oh
have
my
roundhouse
god, you got
kicked
one
that
tap
thing.
by the op.
Shit, kid.